Good morning, sir. Can you please state your name, your title, and what department you work for, please?
Sure. John Welsh, John. Last name is Welsh, Welsh, and I'm one of the public information officers for Riverside County, assisting on the COVID-19 pandemic.
Thank you so much, sir. Can you please explain to us a little bit what's going on today?
Well, right behind us is the setup for the 4th testing site for Riverside County residents. We have one at the fairgrounds, we have one in Lake Elsinore, we have one at Harvest Christian Fellowship in Riverside, and this is number 4 right here at the Perris Fairgrounds. And the folks that want to be tested can now come here. It's a convenient spot for folks that live in the Perris area, Moreno Valley, obviously, and other cities in the general vicinity of Lake Elsinore. In the general vicinity of the Perris Fairgrounds. So people can call the 800 number just like the other testing sites and get scheduled for an appointment. We of course are still asking people have symptoms of COVID-19 or the coronavirus, I should say, and this will give them peace of mind when they come through the testing site. They'll go through a screening first, and then they'll get the nasal swab, and within 2 to 7 days, it's generally within that 48 hours period, they'll get results of that test.
Okay, sir. Approximately how many people have signed up for this today?
My colleagues or the nurses have told me that about 250 people are scheduled for today, and most of our sites have been conducting upwards of 300 tests per day. So one of the things that we're proud of is Riverside County has tested, it's approximately 20,000 of our residents so far. We're believing that that's one of the leading, I should say it this way, we believe that we're leading many other counties in terms of testing. Probably LA County is much higher than us, but we have been doing these tests because it gives us, the epidemiology team, it gives them the ability to track hotspots, but also the more testing we do, the more we can get a handle on this coronavirus.
Excellent, sir. And can you please explain to who's out here participating in this operation? What hospitals
Sure.
and other people?
Yes, you'll see behind me a lot of our nursing staff members from Riverside University Health System or the Department of Public Health for Riverside County. And also we have Riverside City College students that are part of the nursing program at RCC, and they've actually been helping at Lake Elsinore as well, but also at Harvest Christian Fellowship. So a lot of our younger nursing teams are getting great frontline experience under the guidance of the Department of Public Health. So these testing sites can't be done with all that collaboration. These professionals behind me, they're helping out. We're able to do all those tests because of the teamwork and the collaboration. So it's been pretty amazing to see with my own eyes all the great teamwork in our county.
Perfect, sir. And can you also explain if you have any exact number of how many are affected or any type of information right now that we can give that
yes.
can be updated?
As of yesterday afternoon, the update was we have about 1,700 confirmed cases in Riverside County. We've lost 50 of our residents to this pandemic, including 2 of our sheriff's deputies, and most recently in the last couple of days, we lost a 20-year-old, and that is just a sobering illustration of how devastating this COVID-19 can be to not just our Riverside County, but beyond. But to lose a 20-year-old to this virus is just a shame. The good news is we're getting our recovery numbers higher and higher. I think we're kind of in about 175, almost 200. So we're starting to see those good stories in the numbering.
Great, that's great to hear, actually. Can you also, one more, is there any specific orders still being in place regarding staying safe, quarantine? Is there any updates on when that's going to be lifted or any type of information that you can provide for that?
Thank you for asking that. Yeah, our public health officers' orders all still remain in place, so we do have the strict guidelines of stay in your place, maintain your space, and cover your face. We're still urging our residents to stay at home. That's the safe place to be. It's a time when people are starting to probably get a little stir crazy, but this is the time to stay vigilant and be cognizant that all the good self-isolation that our residents have done have led us to really feel good that our numbers are not as dire as other places of the world, and including our country, what we've seen in New York and New Jersey. So it's really a time to reflect on all the good work our residents have done. So it's really important to maintain those orders that our Dr. Cameron Kaiser has put out, and hopefully one day we'll be soon away from this world that we've been living the last month and a half.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, sir, for your time, and I appreciate everything you guys are doing, and we hope that we can get over this real quickly.
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for all your...
Yes. They said that you have to open it. No, what I'm saying is, good morning. Start. Should be in your bed.
I always wonder if I'm over.
It was raining real bad, and we went on a back road to get there. That's real tough.
Yeah, you did cut for 300. Because you can have rain.
Contaminated.
I just remember when I did the decaf like 5 minutes. And it's kind of small, like it just...
I sent you guys the video on it. Yeah, I sent you guys the video on it.
Where do you want me to put this? You want tape?
I don't know where to go. Well, the big old sign here that says exit.
But it's all done. All right, first, go to open your window and stick to the left, okay? Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So just...
Yeah. I need a sign.
Dance for them. They'll pay attention.
I think they're double checking.
Yeah, now you're kind of...